Hi, it's me again. When you see the ćevapis are ready, they're not red in the middle or so, they're finished. So you just put them over here, on the side, like this. And that's with the onion, of course. Amke's kitchen. And then you place the bread on here, one bread like this, and then the other bread like this. So it soaks up the oil from the ćevapi. It's beautiful. Make nice, tasty. This is the way I cook ćevapi, Bosnian ćevapi. After this is heated up, I'm gonna put on the plate and put all the ćevapi on there and the onion and a bit of pepper. You will see. All is finished. I like to cook my own food. I don't like to eat takeaway food. I'm a good cook. Let me show you a bit of this wine. You see, I bought the duck. The duck costed me $20. $20 the duck. And call it a Peking duck. You see, now you gotta turn it over. So like this. So it's nice and even. So basically just heat up the lepina. This is called lepina. This is not original lepina. This is, I bought it somewhere else, but it's like lepina. Yum yum. I'm gonna eat good tonight.